guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my very first H&M haul. Once again, I went with neutral, so beige, greyish colour. I have black, and then I have this colour here, and I have a pale shirt as well that is not on the rack. I'm just gonna go get it. So this is the pale short I bought, and to be honest, this is probably one of my favourite pieces. I just think it's absolutely stunning. I didn't try anything. The only thing I did try is this dress here that you actually saw on my Instagram, so I already took pictures with it, and I was actually wearing it in my video. I can't remember which one. In my Mclothes unboxing video. So I was wearing this dress already. This dress, by the way, is absolutely stunning. I'm very excited about some of the pieces. Online they look great. I'm gonna start with this dress here. This is cotton, by the way, if I'm not mistaken. It's from the Conscious collection. The Conscious collection is usually my favorite one. It's so pretty. Obviously the price point is a bit higher, but to be honest, it is worth the money. I've had some pieces from this collection and it really lasts. So if you're looking for a very good quality collection from H&M, this is definitely it. So this is an extra small. It does look a bit oversized, which is what I like. So it's black and you don't really have a shape. This dress I find will make you slightly bigger, but I feel like this is the kind of look I'm looking for. So this is definitely something I would like to wear with like heels and very like my oversized shell earrings from H&M that I was wearing with this dress actually. So just gonna try it. Very excited about this dress. It was one of my favorite on the website, but I don't know how it's going to fit, so we'll see. I am a bit disappointed, I'm going to say it, just because I really thought the fabric would be slightly different. This is shiny, which I was not expecting, and I don't know, it's weird. Like the sleeves are a bit weird. It feels like a garbage bag, to be honest. The back is interesting, but I don't know, there's really something I don't like about this dress. I decided to wear my earrings just to show you what I was talking about with the oversized shell earrings. I don't really know, like there's something off about this dress, just not really nice. It looks a bit cheap. I don't know. I like this, like, you know, I like the shoulders, this is fine, but the sleeves and the front of the dress is a bit, that's basically the part that I don't like about this dress. Like I said, the back is really interesting, but I don't think I'm keeping this. But this is an extra small, but obviously it feels oversized. This is definitely the look. I don't know if maybe you like it, but I don't really like this part here. This is very thick and it's I don't know, it's off. So this is a no-no for me. I'm not going to keep this dress for sure. I think I'm going to change outfit now. I don't really like this. I'm going to try this dress here, but obviously you've seen it before, but I still want to try and show you the dress. Okay, so second dress, you've seen it before. This is cotton as well. I think it was from the same collection as the back one. I'm not quite sure. I will have to check. And the price was around $70, but like I said, I'm going to write down everything for you guys. This dress, I am actually in love. I wore it with my Mclothes Le Petit Bâti bag, which was absolutely stunning. I love the earrings with it, you know, the scrunchie is cute. And this is a very cute outfit to like go shopping, just put a hat band and you just have this very, you know, Blair Waldorf kind of style, which I absolutely love. But this dress, absolutely stunning. I love this, I love the sleeves. You know, it's very baggy, it's oversized. I love the back. I find the back is just gorgeous. Love this dress. This is a keeper, definitely. This dress I'm keeping. The back one I'm not keeping, but this is something I love. So yeah, I'm gonna go with the third outfit now. I'm gonna try this here, which is the shorts. What I like is this, it's, I don't know, it's like flowy, and this is something I really love. I love the color as well. This, I was expecting something slightly different. I really thought that there was something under. I'm gonna go with a cute bra for now. It's very elegant, I love it, but I don't actually know how it's gonna fit. This part is quite big here. I really wanted to tuck that in my shorts, but I don't think it's gonna be possible just because of, you know, how big this is. So I'm gonna try it now and we'll see. So I decided to wear a bra with it. It's a new color. I actually love the shape of the shirt. I think it's just gorgeous. This top is absolutely stunning. And I really thought we were going to see like the back of the bra, but we can actually see it. So that's good. That's something I like. Absolutely love the fact that this is open. And I feel like, you know, orange during summer is just amazing. I would actually wear that with like a very cute bag, maybe a straw bag, and add my orange scarf from Hermes. I feel like it would be absolutely gorgeous. I find it's a bit dramatic, which is what I like. And then you can also wear, you know, the same earrings if you want. I just love this so much. And this, like I mentioned, like it has pocket, it's very flowy. You can actually wear that with flats, you can wear that with heels if you want. I just feel like it's very stunning. This is gorgeous. This part here, I'm keeping it for sure. This outfit is a keeper, definitely a keeper. Now I'm gonna keep the same shorts, but I'm gonna change the top. So I decided to take this. It's not really my style, to be honest. I usually don't go with this, but I really like the open back and the bow. I don't know, the fabric seems slightly cheap. That's my only concern. I feel like this is polyester. Okay, so I guess it's 100% polyester, but 62% of it is recycled. There we go. So this is the top. I don't think it goes with the shorts, obviously. I don't know, maybe like my mini leather skirt from Zara that I showed you in my previous video. So maybe that, maybe a jeans as well. A jeans can actually work with this. I like the back. The back is quite nice. My only concern is the fabric. So since this is polyester, during summer I feel like this is very hot to wear because you can't actually breathe. You just can't. I'm already very hot and I just started to wear it. So I don't think I'm going to keep this just because the fabric is very warm and I just can't do it during summer. But I do like the shape. I think it's quite nice. It doesn't have that wow factor like this top here, for example. This is, you know, when you wear this is stunning. But this for me is very simple, so I don't think it's worth it. Maybe in a different fabric I would have worn it, but this is just way too warm for me. I do like I said, I like the shape. There's like a very cute button here, so I love this. I actually love the bow. It's quite short, so you know, it's kind of nice, especially the back, but because of the fabric I don't think I'm going to keep this. So this is not a keeper, unfortunately, not because of the shape, but just because of how hot I am in this shirt. It's way too warm for summer, so definitely not a good option. If it's like 30 degrees outside, don't wear this top. Now I'm going to go with this lovely dress here. So this is an off-shoulder dress. So it's very long. I don't know how it's going to fit, so we'll see. It can't even, you know, it can actually be stunning or just disgusting and just way too big for me, so we'll see. This is the dress. I kind of like it, to be honest, but I will say this, it makes you look bigger, so if you're not into that, then definitely not for you. But I really like the color. I find that it's very, like, it's a summer dress. It's actually, you know, stunning. Really like the back. I would definitely wear this with my flat from Hermes. I think it would be absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Love the color, love the sleeves. The only thing is, like, this elastic here looks a bit cheap, but you can also do that. And then we don't see the elastic, so I think it's just better. And I absolutely love this here, and it gives really nice detail. I really thought this dress would not be very nice on me, but I'm very surprised. I think this is definitely a keeper. So I am in two colors sometimes. This is the kind of color I really like to wear during summer. So I have this thing for orange during summer, orange, yellow, you know, like palette like this. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. So this is definitely a keeper. Love this dress. I think this is cotton, I'm not quite sure, I will have to check, but I wrote down everything. And now I'm going to wear my last outfit, which is my trousers here, but they were way too heavy, and to be honest, they look so big, so I don't even know if it's going to fit. They just look way too big for me. I think the waist is going to be fine, but I mean, it's like very long, and you know how tiny I am, so I don't think this is going to fit. I don't have a top with it really, so I'm gonna go with this top here, and then I'm just gonna put the trench coat over it just to show you. The trench coat, by the way, is a size small and it looks huge, so I don't know how it's gonna fit. I'll have to check. I don't think I'm going to keep the trousers, to be honest, just because it's summertime. Trench coat, if it's nice, then obviously I'm going to keep it, just because I find trench coat are very hard to find. But my problem with this trench coat, it's way too long for me, so I don't think, I don't know how it's going to be on me. We'll see. So I'm just going to go change quickly and show you the last outfit. Okay, so like I was saying, I really thought the trousers would be way too big, and for me this is, you know, it's just, I don't know, I don't really like them. They're not nice at all, not flattering, way too big. I don't know, the fabric is also, like, the fabric is very thick and it's just weird, so I'm definitely not going to keep the trousers. Obviously it doesn't really go with the top I'm wearing right now, but I just, you know, wanted to wear something at least with, like, color-wise that would work. So this is the jacket, the trench coat. So you get these very big sleeves here. It's very puffy and it's super long, and then you get this very nice detail here for the belt. I feel like if you're taller, maybe it's gonna work, but I feel like on me it's gonna be way too huge. Oh my god, yeah, it looks like I'm wearing my father coat, to be honest. This is, oh god, it's really, really long. Like, I don't really know how I feel about this. I don't think this jacket is a keeper for me. So, I don't know. Don't really know how I feel about this. This is huge. It's really, really big. I mean, I love the details on the trench coat, but it's not really working for me. I think maybe I'm too small, or just the size is not perfect, but this is a small, so I should have taken maybe an extra small. I don't know how I feel about this, and to be honest, you know what, it's summertime. I don't even want to think about this kind of outfit. So I think a keeper, I think what I'm going to keep is this dress here, this one obviously, and then the orange shorts with this top. And the black dress, the black mini dress is not staying here. This top has to go, trousers, they have to go, and then the trench coat, definitely, this is just way too big. The trench coat, I think I'm going to have maybe like a better look and just try with different outfit. I do love the oversized, very long coat usually. You just have to know how to wear it, so I don't know if I can actually pull it off, so I will try. Hopefully I can, because I actually love the details on the coat, and it's very, very hard to find a really nice trench coat, I find. So I think this is it. We went through everything. You know, I really hope that most of the pieces are actually available on the H&M website. If I can't find the exact same item, I'm going to try to find a similar link. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. You can also give this video a thumbs up, and I noticed that some of you added the notification when I'm adding a video, so I really, really appreciate this. Thank you guys so much. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Café. I also have a blog, www.tempscafe.com. I try to post 2 articles a week, 1 YouTube video, and I post obviously daily content on my Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye guys.